Mission VAO Mortgage Lender Selection, now demystified. How Apple affects mortgage rates. Most homeowners hear on the news that rates have gone down or up, but have no clue why and will act accordingly. Armed with some knowledge, you will better understand what causes the rates to change and how to interpret the market to predict where rates will go next. The basics of mortgage rates, like so many other things in our economy, comes down to the principle of supply and demand. In this case, we are talking about the supply and demand of money. The larger the supply of money competing for mortgages, the lower the rates will be. Let's break this down a little further. When we talk about the supply of money, we are talking about investment dollars. In the United States, there are two major markets competing for these investment dollars: the stock market and the bond market. How do investors react when the stock market has a bad day? Investors will move their money to a safer place. That's generally the bond market. When money is flowing into the bond market, more money is competing for the same amounts of bonds. This influx of money drives bond prices up and the yield or return on bonds down. When the yield of bonds go down, mortgage rates also go down. The bond most analysts use to represent mortgage rates is the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond. When the yield, and remember that's the return rate on money invested, on the 10-year Treasury bond goes up, expect mortgage rates to follow and also go up. So if Apple comes out with bad sales figures, that news could send Apple and the stock market plummeting. Those events can cause money to flow into bonds, driving the yield on the 10-year Treasury down, which will cause mortgage rates to also go down. This concept will give you the basics of what to look for when trying to figure out what mortgage rates will do next. In ensuing articles, we'll discuss current events in the economy which will affect the stock and bond markets and in turn affect your mortgage rates. For more tips and secrets on how to select a Mission VAO mortgage lender and get you the best mortgage rates possible, claim your mortgage selection guide and get the best mortgage rates at missionvaomortgagerates.com. That's missionvaomortgagerates.com.